Night falls over a quiet German city. The year is 1925. In the dim glow of a study lamp, a young physicist sits hunched over a cluttered desk, surrounded by notes scrawled in hurried script. His eyes, sharp and restless, scan the equations as if searching for something just out of reach. A pattern, a truth, a glimpse into the workings of the universe itself. This is Werner Heisenberg, a man on the brink of a discovery that will shatter centuries of certainty. The world outside is changing, but within these four walls, time seems to dissolve. The air hums with anticipation. Heisenberg's mind races, weaving through the abstract threads of mathematics and the tangible realities of nature. With every page turned and every formula tested, he inches closer to an idea that will redefine the boundaries of knowledge. As dawn breaks, the first light catches the edge of a chalkboard, filled with cryptic symbols and lines. Heisenberg pauses, a sudden realization dawning on his face. In these early hours, the seeds are sown for a revolution in physics, a revolution born not from certainty, but from the bold embrace of uncertainty. This is the story of Werner Heisenberg, a mind ahead of time, whose quest to understand the world would forever alter the course of science. Before we continue this journey through one of history's most remarkable minds, I'd like to invite you to support the channel. If you enjoy thoughtful stories that explore the lives and ideas that shaped our world, please consider liking this video and subscribing. Your support helps these stories reach more curious minds. Werner Karl Heisenberg was born in December 1901 in Würzburg, Germany, into a family steeped in academia. His father, August Heisenberg, was a scholar of Greek philology, and the young Werner grew up in a home where intellectual pursuit was not just encouraged, but expected. Yet it was not books alone that shaped his early mind. It was the world outside, the rhythms of nature, and the puzzles hidden in the everyday. As a boy, Werner was captivated by the patterns he saw in the world around him. The movement of water, the play of light through leaves, the intricate order within chaos. These were the mysteries that drew him in. He spent hours exploring the fields and forests near his home, collecting specimens, building contraptions, and asking questions that seemed to have no easy answers. School offered its own challenges and opportunities. Heisenberg excelled in mathematics and the sciences, his curiosity matched only by his determination. His teachers noted his quick mind and relentless drive, but it was his ability to see connections where others saw only confusion that set him apart. Even as a teenager, Werner was searching for harmony in complexity, a search that would define his life's work. Through these formative years, Heisenberg's curiosity grew into something more, a conviction that the secrets of nature could be revealed not just through observation, but through the language of mathematics and logic. The stage was set for the journey ahead. Werner Heisenberg's path led him to the University of Munich, a vibrant center of learning in the aftermath of World War I. There he came under the guidance of Arnold Sommerfeld, a physicist renowned for nurturing some of the greatest scientific minds of the era. Sommerfeld's approach was rigorous, demanding not just technical mastery, but a deep understanding of the principles underlying physical phenomena. Heisenberg thrived in this environment. He found himself surrounded by peers who would one day become legends. Wolfgang Pauli, Paul Dirac, and Niels Bohr among them. The intellectual ferment was electrifying, with ideas clashing and combining in a relentless pursuit of truth. In seminars and late-night conversations, Heisenberg learned to question assumptions, to see beyond the surface, and to embrace the unknown. A pivotal moment came when Heisenberg visited Bohr's Institute for Theoretical Physics in Copenhagen. Bohr's philosophical approach to quantum mechanics, his willingness to challenge the very foundations of reality, left a deep impression. Under Bohr's mentorship, Heisenberg began to realize that the act of observation itself might alter the nature of what was observed, a notion that would soon become central to his work. These years of training were not merely about acquiring knowledge. They were about learning to see, to look at the world not just with the eyes, but with the mind, and to accept that sometimes the answers lay not in certainty, but in the very heart of ambiguity. The mid-1920s found Heisenberg at a crossroads. Quantum theory was in crisis. The old rules of classical physics could not explain the strange behavior of atoms and subatomic particles. Frustrated by the limitations of existing models, Heisenberg retreated to the remote island of Helgoland in the North Sea, seeking clarity and isolation. It was here, amidst the bracing wind and salt air, that inspiration struck. Heisenberg realized that it was not the path of particles that mattered, but the observable quantities, the measurable outcomes of experiments. He began to construct a new mathematical framework, one that dispensed with the notion of precise trajectories and instead focused on probabilities and relationships. The result was matrix mechanics, a radical departure from anything seen before. In this new picture of reality, certainty gave way to uncertainty, and the act of measurement itself became a fundamental part of the story. Heisenberg's breakthrough was not just technical. It was philosophical, challenging the very way scientists thought about the universe. When he returned to the mainland, Heisenberg shared his ideas with colleagues and mentors. The response was mixed. Some were intrigued, others skeptical. But the die had been cast. A new way of thinking had emerged, and Heisenberg stood at its forefront, ready to lead physics into uncharted territory. Heisenberg's matrix mechanics quickly became the foundation of the new quantum theory, yet his most famous contribution was still to come. In 1927, he formulated the uncertainty principle, a profound insight into the limits of knowledge itself. The principle stated that certain pairs of physical properties, such as position and momentum, could not both be known to arbitrary precision. The more precisely one was known, the less certain the other became. This idea struck at the heart of classical physics, which had always assumed a world governed by certainty and determinism. Heisenberg's work suggested that at the quantum level, nature was fundamentally indeterminate. This was not a flaw in measurement, but a fundamental property of the universe. The uncertainty principle sparked intense debate, not just among physicists, but among philosophers and the wider public. It forced a rethinking of the nature of reality, of what it meant to know something, and of the role of the observer in the process of discovery. Heisenberg's papers became essential reading for anyone seeking to understand the new physics. Through these defining works, Heisenberg helped to shape a new worldview, one in which uncertainty was not a weakness, but a doorway to deeper understanding. His ideas would ripple outward, influencing fields far beyond physics, and changing the way humanity saw itself and its place in the cosmos. Werner Heisenberg's genius lay in his ability to move seamlessly between abstract theory and experimental reality. He understood that the true test of any scientific idea was its ability to predict and explain the outcomes of experiments. In collaboration with experimentalists, Heisenberg worked to refine the predictions of quantum mechanics, guiding the development of new experiments that would test the limits of his theories. He was known for his intense focus and unorthodox methods. He would pace the halls, lost in thought, working through problems in his head before ever setting pen to paper. Colleagues recalled his relentless questioning, his willingness to challenge not just others, but himself. Heisenberg's approach was both rigorous and imaginative, grounded in mathematics yet open to intuition. Throughout the 1930s, Heisenberg continued to expand the reach of quantum theory, applying its principles to the structure of the atom and the behavior of particles. He published influential papers, lectured across Europe, and mentored a new generation of physicists. His work was recognized with the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1932, a testament to the impact of his contributions. Yet, for Heisenberg, the work was never finished. Each answer led to new questions, each breakthrough to new mysteries. For him, science was not just a profession, but a lifelong quest, a journey into the unknown, guided by curiosity and the search for truth. The rise of quantum mechanics was not without controversy. Many in the scientific community resisted its radical implications. The debates between Heisenberg and Albert Einstein became legendary. Einstein famously refused to accept a universe governed by chance. insisting that God does not play dice. Heisenberg, for his part, defended his ideas with clarity and conviction, but he understood the discomfort they caused. Outside the realm of science, the world around Heisenberg was growing increasingly tumultuous. The political upheavals of 1930s Germany cast a shadow over academic life. As war approached, Heisenberg found himself caught between his commitment to science and the demands of a society in crisis. Controversy surrounded his role in Germany's wartime nuclear program, a subject that would follow him for the rest of his life. Heisenberg faced criticism from many sides, from colleagues who questioned his choices, from authorities who distrusted his international connections, and from a public wary of the power of science. Through it all, he remained dedicated to his principles, seeking to balance responsibility with the pursuit of knowledge. The challenges and conflicts of these years tested Heisenberg's resolve. Yet, even in the face of doubt and resistance, he never lost faith in the power of science to illuminate the unknown, nor in the value of curiosity as the engine of progress. In the aftermath of World War II, Heisenberg's life entered a new phase. He was detained for a time by Allied forces, questioned about his wartime activities. When he finally returned to civilian life, he found a world transformed by conflict and discovery. The atomic age had dawned, and the questions he had helped to pose now loomed larger than ever. Heisenberg threw himself into the task of rebuilding German science. He played a key role in establishing new research institutes and fostering international collaboration. Yet, as the years passed, his focus shifted from the frontiers of quantum mechanics to broader questions about the nature of science and society. He wrote and lectured widely, reflecting on the ethical dimensions of scientific progress and the responsibilities of those who seek to unlock the secrets of nature. In his final years, Heisenberg continued to work, pondering the unresolved mysteries of physics and the legacy of his own ideas. He found solace in music, in friendships, and in the quiet satisfaction of a life spent in pursuit of understanding. Though the world had changed, the questions that had driven him remained as urgent and as elusive as ever. As he looked back on his journey, Heisenberg saw not just the triumphs and discoveries, but the doubts and uncertainties that had defined his path. For him, the search for knowledge was never about finding all the answers, but about embracing the endless adventure of asking questions. Werner Heisenberg's legacy is written not just in textbooks, but in the very fabric of modern science. His insights into the quantum world reshaped the way we understand reality, laying the foundation for technologies that have transformed society: computers, lasers, and even the mysterious world of quantum computing. His uncertainty principle remains a cornerstone of physics, a reminder of the profound limits and possibilities of human knowledge. Beyond his scientific achievements, Heisenberg's life stands as a testament to the power of curiosity, courage, and imagination. He faced resistance and doubt, yet never wavered in his pursuit of truth. He navigated the storms of history, seeking always to serve both science and humanity. His story is one of brilliance, but also of humility, a recognition that the universe is vast and our understanding forever incomplete. Today, physicists continue to build on Heisenberg's work, probing ever deeper into the mysteries of existence. His ideas inspire not just answers, but new questions, fueling the endless quest for understanding that defines the human spirit. As the camera fades to black, the words linger. In the dance of certainty and uncertainty, we find the heart of discovery. Werner Heisenberg's mind changed the world, not by conquering the unknown, but by daring to embrace it. Thank you for spending this time exploring one of history's remarkable minds. If you found this journey meaningful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. It helps us continue telling thoughtful stories that inspire curiosity and understanding.